One night, the moon suddenly disappears. At first, people think it's a strange eclipse, but astronomers quickly notice stars bending around an invisible object where the moon once existed. Then the horrifying truth becomes clear. A stellar mass black hole has replaced the moon. Unlike the moon, it contains several times the mass of the sun compressed into a tiny region of space. Its gravity immediately overwhelms the delicate balance that kept Earth stable for billions of years. The first effects appear in the oceans. Within minutes, tides begin rising at impossible speeds. Entire coastlines watch the sea pull backward before colossal megatsunamis race toward land. Cities vanish beneath walls of water hundreds of meters high. Coastal populations are destroyed before most people even understand what is happening. Meanwhile, satellites near lunar orbit are ripped apart or dragged off course by the black hole's gravity. Communication systems begin collapsing worldwide. But the destruction is only beginning. As Earth struggles against the enormous gravitational pull, the planet's rotation starts destabilizing. Days shorten unpredictably while tidal forces stretch Earth itself. Massive earthquakes spread across fault lines as volcanoes erupt around the world. Then astronomers discover another terrifying consequence. The black hole is pulling debris into orbit around itself. Destroyed satellites, lunar fragments, and gas stripped from Earth begin spiraling into a glowing accretion disk surrounding the darkness. The night sky transforms into a massive ring of superheated material flooding nearby space with deadly radiation. Radiation storms begin damaging electronics worldwide. Power grids fail while astronauts in orbit are exposed to lethal conditions almost instantly. Panic spreads globally as governments lose communication with entire regions. Millions attempt fleeing inland from collapsing coastlines, but scientists warn there may be no safe place left. The black hole's gravity could eventually destabilize Earth's orbit around the sun. Even a small orbital shift could trigger global freezing or runaway heating. Meanwhile, the black hole slowly spirals closer to Earth. The crust experiences increasing tidal stress as mountains crack apart and entire regions collapse beneath rising oceans. Earth's atmosphere begins stretching unevenly under the growing gravitational forces. Hyperstorms form across the planet while climate systems completely break down. Within days, civilization collapses. Governments fail, supply chains disappear, and survivors struggle in isolated regions surrounded by floods, earthquakes, and radiation storms. Yet the most terrifying possibility still lies ahead. If the black hole moves close enough, tidal gravity could begin tearing Earth apart completely. Oceans would lift into space while continents fracture beneath unimaginable stress. Eventually, Earth itself could become part of the growing accretion disk orbiting the black hole. Humanity often fears asteroids or solar flares, but gravity alone can become one of the deadliest forces in the universe. The moon feels harmless only because its mass and distance are perfectly balanced. Replace it with something vastly heavier, and Earth's stability disappears almost instantly. And somewhere above the collapsing planet, an invisible black hole hangs silently where the moon once shined. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.